Today I'm going to show you how you can change your language on Instagram, the mobile phone app. This works with iPhone and Android, iPad, you name it. So first of all, what you need to have open is your Instagram app. And as you can see here, I want my Instagram app to be in English, but currently it is in Danish. To do that, you just need to go down out here to your home screen and find settings. From here, you can go up here on the search tab and click Instagram. And click on Instagram down here. From here, you need to click language. It should be at the bottom of the screen. From here, you just need to click on that. And then you can choose between English, the UK version, or English, or any of these other languages if you want to do that. I want mine in English. So let's see if this works. Open up Instagram again. And as you can see, now my Instagram is in English. I really hope this helps. If it does, leave a like and subscribe if you want more content like this one.